everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you. Save the photographs, thank you. I'm so glad that you all have joined me again for another video. Today will be a little different though. I've decided to do a highly requested video, a natural hair routine video.
Yes, queen, yes, queen, yes, queen.
Yes, I know this has been highly requested. So today I'll be doing a twist out, which has been highly requested for me to do. But I'll be trying a new line of products. My friend Brittany told me about this line of products called NaturAll hair product line. It's all natural and it's a black-owned business. And I decided to get avocado curling custard, their cleansing avocado shampoo, their hydrating avocado conditioner, their leave-in conditioner, and then avocado oil and their deep conditioner. So I got their whole avocado line, and basically when you go on the website, it makes you do a test, like a quiz, to decide your hair type and which one of their products will work best for you. And when I did mine, they recommended me the avocado line. So I'm excited to try it. So before I get started, I just want to recommend some tips that I use, that I live by, quote unquote. But I prefer to wash my hair in the sink now. You know, for a long time I did it in the shower, but I feel like my hair is much more manageable and it's easier for me to do when I'm doing it in the sink. And I also use cooler water whenever I'm washing my hair and conditioning or rinsing out anything, because it closes your cuticles and it allows the moisture to penetrate into your scalp, and it just allows you to have more moisture in your head than, for me at least, because I have low porosity hair, so it requires more moisture. So sealing it with cooler water just helps my hair retain that moisture. Also, I always seal my hair with some form of oil. And to me, it doesn't really matter what kind of oil I use. But whenever I'm done styling my hair, I will always seal it with some oil. And then when I take down my twist or whatever style I'm doing, I'll take it down with some oil to ensure that that moisture is getting into my strands. And I think that's it for now. So stay tuned. So what I like to do within my washing process is to first kind of damp my hair a little bit and then finger detangle and then go and wash. And I recommend, whether you're using a Denman brush or a comb, to make sure that you start from the end and then work your way up to the root. So just ensure there's no snags, there's no breakage, and there's not too much tension on your hair before you wash it. So I'm about to do that stuff, and then I'll come back after I wash and condition and go to the next step. You just get into this struggle bun. I really don't even know what it looks like in the back. Yeah, I waited a longer time to do my hair just for this video for you all, so don't talk about my bun, okay? So I just wanted to let y'all know this is not how I usually present myself, but it's for you. All right, y'all, so this is actually my hair with the conditioner in it. Not the leave-in, just the regular conditioner, like after I shampooed. And I just want to show y'all what that looked like. So this is it. I'm gonna keep it on for about 3 more minutes. It's already been about 2. And I like the shampoo. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all I like the shampoo. It was very rejuvenating. I feel like it was really penetrating my scalp. I kind of have like a tingly feeling, which I think is good. And I feel like I like this conditioner too. But yes. Next, I'm gonna rinse this out and then go into styling. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair with a deep conditioner in. The deep conditioner that comes with this bundle can only be used like once a month, and I've already used it before. So I decided to go with a deep conditioner that I already had in my cabinet, and it is the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask with African Rock Fig and Baobab Oil from Shea Moisture. I usually use a super moisture mask from a different line, which is the line that I usually use like all the time, but I'm trying some new stuff this time. So I'm about to apply a grocery bag over my head. It really doesn't matter what kind of bag you use. You can use a shower cap if you want, but I just feel like the grocery bag really just covers my whole head. And then I'm going to go heat up my heating cap and put it on for about 15 to 20 minutes to let it just really soak in the moisture and penetrate my scalp, and then I'll come back with the results. This is the heating cap, ladies and gents. Not the cutest, but we still move. Oh, honey, let's get into these curls after a quick deep condition. Talk about definition, talk about volume, talk about lusciousness, talk about 10 out of 10. Okay, so the way I put on my heating cap kind of smushed the front curls, but that's okay. You get the point, you know. We're dealing with some hydrated, luscious curls. You know, that there's no way around that. So next, I'm about to rinse this out. I mean, I just can't get over this, y'all. But anyways, okay. I love deep conditioning days. But anyways, okay, so I'm going to rinse this out with some cool water. And then we're gonna go to styling, y'all. We're doing leave-in, curling cursor, oil, twist, seal, call it a day. So stay tuned. I'm back. Just want to try to say this again. All right, y'all. So now that that is rinsed out, it's time for styling. So I already have a section out, and I really keep my sections, you know, in the middle, not too big, not too small. So this is the first section that I'm working with, and I'm just gonna go in first with the leave-in conditioner. If it'll come out. Okay, got about that much, and we're just gonna get to putting it on, okay? So I'm just gonna put it on, add some more. And I also use my spray bottle to make sure that it's being evenly distributed. I just put the curling cream on, more like a custard. And I'm just gonna spray some water. And I'm actually going to use my Denman brush to get the products evenly distributed into my hair. And typically I don't like to use these, but recently I've actually enjoyed it. So it actually made my twist outs come out more defined. I guess because, you know, it's more tangle free. So now this is the simplest part. We're just separating it into sections and we're just twisting now. And honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect. I definitely don't worry about my parts. I just kind of pick a section and go, and I know that I like, you know, a certain amount of twists in the back, certain amount in the middle, in the front, and so forth. And then I just like to twist it around to seal it in. And that's one twist down. That's one twist down. And I can tell from the ends how curled up they are. This is gonna be a good twist out. That this is gonna be a good twist out. And that's all we need. So I'm about to go in and just do the rest of the twist. And that's basically it, y'all. Leave-in, curling custard, oil, twist. Alright, y'all, so I'm done twisting up my head. I feel like this time I did like maybe 2 more than usual. Maybe not, maybe I did the same amount. I think I did the same amount. So this is what my hair looks like. You know, like I said, I did not really pay attention to how I part. Really doesn't matter, just try to make it as neat as you can, as straight as you can. But yes, so this is how my twists look. Want to make sure that I seal the ends and that they're curled up at the end. And yes. So I typically like to keep my twists in for at least overnight. Typically I'll keep them in for a couple of days, but what I'll do is I'll keep them in overnight tonight, and I'll probably take them down in the afternoon, in the evening, probably around 2 or 3, just to make sure that my hair is dry and that the moisture has penetrated my hair and that it gets the perfect little twist, the perfect coil. So I'll check back in with you all tomorrow. Bye. All right, y'all, so this is day 2 of having my twist in. I decided to keep them in for another day because I wasn't doing anything or going anywhere. But this is the morning that I'm taking my twist out. I'm excited to see the results, you know, using a new product. So I'm gonna go in with the avocado oil and just start taking down the twist. Alright y'all, this is what my hair looks like as soon as I take down my twist. Which is cute, you know, we got some definition. Now I'm about to separate and fluff. My favorite part of the whole process is fluffing, because I like volume. So I'm gonna continue to separate with my hands and like the leftover oil on my fingers. And then I'm gonna go in with my comb and start fluffing. Y'all will see when I do it. So now on to the next step. So I'm just, you know, going in certain sections and just pulling from the root to just bring out the curls and give it a little more to work with. And typically, if I keep my hair in, my twist in for a couple of days, the first day, day one is kind of flat for my hair. But as the days go, honey, as the days go, this turns into a lion's mane, and those are the best days for me because I love big hair, truly, truly. Okay, y'all, this is where I'm stopping because I have somewhere to go. But, you know, I think this was pretty successful. I mean, if you ask me, this is truly successful. I don't know what the back is looking like, so don't judge. You know, I have to get my mirror and figure that out, but this is the best. Yeah, so this is it. This is the look. Yeah, it's really cute. I like it. Another successful twist out, you know. I feel like I've mastered it. I'm just kidding. Well, I've gotten good at it. But it was new products this time, so I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, and it turned out pretty good. You know, it did what it needed to do. I'm pleased, to say the least. And yeah. All right, y'all. So NaturAll products, giving my personal review on the products, I actually really like them. I feel like with these products, less is more because a little goes a long way with these products. I kind of noticed that my hair took a little longer to dry than usual, but honestly, that's okay because in times like these, I have nowhere to go. So it didn't bother me at all. I like the shampoo, I like the conditioner. I like the deep conditioner when I used that in the past. Of course, I like the Shea Moisture. It's not my number one pick, Shea Moisture, but it was good as a fill-in. I like the leave-in, and I wasn't sure if I would like the curling custard because it's a custard and not like a cream. But I feel like that's really what played into this definition in my curls. Like, I think that actually did that. That actually helped it. So I liked that. And of course, I love some oil, regardless of what kind of oil it is. I prefer a lighter oil, and that's exactly what this avocado oil was like. So, you know, I'm pretty pleased. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I'll give it a 9 out of 10, which is pretty good. I recommend it for natural hair. I got 6 products for $84. $5, which is not bad compared to other brands and compared to the other hair products that I usually use. So this is definitely a good alternative, and I'll definitely use this again. And it's all natural, like I said before, so you can't go wrong with that. No harsh ingredients, no stripping your hair. So this is a good one. All right, y'all, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more hair care videos or anything else that has to do with my natural hair. I'll be giving you videos anyway, but if you just have any specific ones that you would like to see, I recommend don't keep touching your hair, but I do it anyway. You know, it's something about touching my hair. I don't know, it's a habit, but I've been trying to stop it. And that just helps you retain the moisture, and also it doesn't frizz up as fast. So yeah. But thank you again. I hope you guys come back to watch more videos, and I'm glad that you came with me on this journey. Bye.